What if I told you your eyesight isn't just changing because you're getting older? It might be changing because of what happens every single night while you sleep. And more importantly, what you eat right before bed could either help protect your vision or quietly make things worse. Tonight, I'm going to show you one simple fruit, something you can find in almost any grocery store that may help support your vision while you sleep, and most people never think to use it this way. Before we get into that, let me ask you something. Have you noticed your vision feels worse in the morning? Maybe your eyes feel dry. Maybe things look slightly blurry at first. Maybe it takes a few minutes or longer to fully clear up. That's not random, and it's definitely not something you should ignore. For many people over 50 or 60, vision changes don't happen all at once. They happen slowly. You start holding your phone a little farther away. You avoid driving at night when possible. Menus in restaurants become harder to read. Headlights feel brighter. Details feel softer, and confidence starts to drop. Not dramatically, just enough to change how you live. Most people accept this as normal aging, but here's the truth. That's only part of the story. Your eyes are incredibly active organs, even when you're asleep. In fact, nighttime is when your eyes are supposed to repair damaged cells, restore moisture balance, clear oxidative stress, support retinal recovery. But here's the problem. As we age, that repair process becomes less efficient, not because your body stops working, but because it doesn't have the right support. Think of it like this. Your eyes are trying to repair themselves every night, but if your body is missing key nutrients, that repair becomes incomplete, night after night, week after week, until eventually you start noticing the effects: blurry vision, dryness, sensitivity to light. So the real question becomes, what if you could support that repair process naturally, without complicated routines, without expensive treatments, just by changing one simple habit before bed? Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel now. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much. Let's get started. Number 5. Kiwi, the nighttime shield. Let's start with something small but powerful: kiwi. Most people think of kiwi as just another fruit, but inside your body it does something very specific. It delivers two critical nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients don't just circulate randomly, they actually concentrate in your retina, and once they're there, they act like internal protection. They help filter harmful light, reduce stress on your eye cells, and support overnight repair. But that's not all. Kiwi also supports better sleep quality, and better sleep means deeper repair cycles. So now you're getting a double benefit: better sleep and better eye recovery. How to use it? Eat 2 golden kiwis about 60 minutes before bed. Number 4. Watermelon, the circulation booster. Now let's talk about something refreshing: watermelon. At first glance, it seems simple. Mostly water, right? But hydration is only part of the story. As we age, blood flow to the eyes can decrease, and when circulation slows, your retina doesn't get enough oxygen or nutrients. That's when problems begin. Watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to eye protection. It also supports better blood flow, which means more oxygen, more nutrients, better overnight repair. How to use it? 1 to 2 cups about 30 to 45 minutes before sleep. Number 3. Blueberries, the deep protector. Now we're getting into something more advanced. Blueberries, but not just any blueberries, wild blueberries. Here's why that matters. Your retina contains specialized cells called photoreceptors. These cells are responsible for sharp vision, light adaptation, and focus. Over time, these cells get damaged, mostly from oxidative stress. Blueberries contain compounds that help protect those cells at a deeper level. Some research even suggests these compounds can reach retinal tissue directly. That's rare, but here's the mistake most people make. They combine blueberries with milk or yogurt. That reduces absorption, so you're not getting the full benefit. How to use it? a small handful before bed. Eat them alone or with a small amount of healthy fat. Number 2, dragon fruit, the oxygen enhancer. Now here's one most people don't expect. Dragon fruit, especially the red variety. If you wake up feeling like your eyes are still tired, this could be why. Your eyes may not be getting enough oxygen during sleep, and without oxygen, repair slows down. Dragon fruit supports blood vessel relaxation, which helps improve oxygen delivery to your retina. That means better recovery, less fatigue, and sharper vision over time. How to use it? Half a fruit about an hour before bed. Chew the seeds because they contain beneficial fats. Number 1, papaya, the game changer. Now we come to the most important one, papaya. This fruit targets something most people have never heard of, glycation. This is a process where sugar molecules damage proteins in your eyes. Over time, this leads to cloudy lenses, reduced clarity, and increased risk of cataracts. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain. It helps regulate proteins and reduce inflammation. It also delivers key vitamins your eyes need: vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Together, these support tear production, retinal protection, and overall eye health. How to use it? 1 cup of ripe papaya about 60 minutes before bed. Before you start doing this, there are a few important rules, because without them, you won't get full results. Rule 1. Avoid dairy at the same time. It blocks absorption of key nutrients. Rule 2. Add a small amount of healthy fat. This helps your body absorb fat-soluble compounds. Rule 3. Eat at the right time. 60 to 90 minutes is ideal. Rule 4. Don't eat fruit ice cold. Room temperature helps digestion and absorption. Rule 5. Keep it consistent. This is not a one-night fix. It works over time. So what is the bottom line? Your eyesight is one of the most valuable things you have. It affects how you move through the world, how you connect with people, how you feel independent. And the truth is, small habits done consistently can make a bigger difference than most people expect. So tonight, before you go to bed, try one of these. Start simple and pay attention to how your eyes feel in the morning, because sometimes the smallest changes create the biggest results. And I'm curious, if your vision became crystal clear tomorrow morning, what's the first thing you would want to see? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel to see more informative health tips like this.